Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation that you see right here. That's the generation, guys, from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuel pump, fuel system fuses are located. You have multiple fuses, guys, that control the fuel pump and the fuel system. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now the fuel pump fuses, guys, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry, guys. Now you have two different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in both of them. The first one is on the driver's side. Open the door, guys. You will see where that arrow is pointing above the pedals, under the dash on the left side. Look all the way upside down. You will see one white cover. Open it. Underneath it, you will find that interior a fuse box layout right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now, guys, we need to check multiple fuses. First, never assume anything about fuse numbers. We will explain why. For instance, this is the first we need to check is fuse 1, 2. Fuse number 2 right here. Then we need to check 3, 4, that's 38, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12. So fuse number 2, fuse number 12. Then you need to check that's 24, 23, 22. Fuse number 22 will need to be checked. Fuse number 23 will need to be checked as well. After that, you need to open, guys, the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you have that fuse box right here. Main engine fuse box. Open the cover. You'll see that layout right there. Here we'll need to check a few more fuses. We're talking about fuse number 13 will need to be checked. Fuse number 14 will need to be checked. Fuse number 15. Fuse number 16. And after that, you have one more. You need to check fuse number 19 right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.